Hello guys, my name is Zen from Runners Tech. Today we're going to show you the how to open iPhone SE 2020, how to assemble and deassemble this phone. This is a brand new handset we just got in stock. Just would like to show you how we can open this phone and what the functions inside the phone. And first of all, we need a heat plate, we need screwdrivers. So we need a star screwdriver to open the phone's bottom screws with this screwdriver. So then we need a star screwdriver, then we need a Y screwdriver, and then we need spray tools. That's all we need, and it's very easy to find in eBay or Amazon. If you're new, you don't have the tools, so just find it iPhone SE or iPhone 8 or iPhone X screwdrivers or screwdriver sets, so you can find very easily. So let's start then with these star screwdriver. We have to open all these screws from the bottom where we're going to start from, and then we have the next step is we have to leave this phone in a heat plate and 90 degrees for about 2 to 5 minutes. So make sure that all the glue around the screen will be heated up properly, and that will help you to take the screen off from the phone. That'll be more easier to just before you break it. So make sure it's heated up properly at 90 degrees. Then we can pull out the screen, and then we see the other functions inside. So I'm going to leave the phone in a heat plate for 5 minutes on 80 to 90 degrees. Up now, so let's start with the play tools. So I have to be very careful how you're doing it. So make sure go all the way around with the screen from this side. Then don't force too much because the glass is quite fragile, and then go that way. So the glue, and then go on the top here. There you go, that's phone has been open. Now we have to take all the screws off from the plate to disconnect the battery and disconnect the screen connectors. So please keep all the screws in one place, and remember which screw you're taking off from which place. Otherwise, if you mix them up, then can cause damage into the phone. There's 4 different connectors there. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the connector number 1 is for the microphone. So disconnect that one first of all, and the charging port. Also use the plastic tools if you can. Don't need to touch the phone. So disconnect the battery, and then disconnect it. Then we're going to take the screen connectors off. These are very hard to take off, these screws. They're not magnetized screws. That's it. I've taken the screen off. Now at this point, so the screen is taken off successfully from the SE 2020. So I want to show you what is inside the phone actually. So first of all, you have to disconnect the battery always. Open the connectors, then disconnect the battery straight away. If his battery stay connected, that can cause different issues. It can easily be damaged IDYC or display in the phone. So please make sure disconnect the battery always. Otherwise, start causing the touch issues in the phone as well. So this at the moment, if you see the look like the phone inside is exactly as iPhone 8. There's no difference at all which I can see so far. I just tried different iPhone 8 screen as well on it, and iPhone 8 screen does work in SE 2020. So this is the battery of the phone. Then we have just a charging port where you charge the phone. There's a microphone, and you talk in the phone. That thingy works. that's charging port. Then we get the main speaker, then we get a vibrator, that's fingerprints, touch ID also connected with the vibrator. When you press it, you feel the vibrates. Then going up here, so this is the circuit board. This area is the circuit board, that's the main motherboard of the phone. Very sensitive point. If you're doing that one, you don't know what you're doing. Vibrators and the microphones. And this one, next connector, is for the battery. Then we got this one here, that's for main connector for charging port. It's still coming from the same place. This small one here, that is wireless charging system. Then going further up, we can see that it's a camera. That's the rear camera of the phone, SE 2020. And then going that side, that's your Wi-Fi work up there. This one here, you can see this plate here. Underneath this plate, there's one more flex, same as these flexes, like these one and in a screen. There's one more flex there. That's control your volume button, power buttons, and the vibrator as well. So that's all the phone is, the how it works. So your SIM tray, that's your displays underneath this bit here. Underneath this plastic bit is your SIM reader. So it's exactly same as iPhone 8. I can't see any other difference at all in this phone. So if you want to use iPhone 8 screen, you also can use iPhone 8 screen in this phone. So that's all. So we're gonna put it back together now and ready to go. So then make sure battery is disconnected. Yes, it is disconnected. So we have to put it back, connector straight away. Then we have to, this is the screen connectors. Please have to be very gentle and very careful while you're putting these connectors back. If you're not careful, that can cause different issues in the motherboard. Maybe phone don't function properly after that. So then we put the plates back to hold the connectors properly. That's it, all done. So we make sure the phone still works. There you go, switching on now. As for during the repairing, if you damage the home button or the camera flex, we just connect it in the top. The Apple logo may won't come on. The phone may won't come on. It will take ages to switch on. So there we go. You can see the phone working perfectly okay. So that's all we have to do. So we have to close the back properly now. So make sure before you put it back in, you lift up the screen from the back and make sure the connector going under the frame, and then put it back together. That's done. It's very simple and easy. So now to put the final two screws. There you guys, all done, all working perfectly okay. So please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon which you just can see underneath the screen to watch our more videos with the latest phones, how we assemble or deassemble and how we can repair that and do all those sort of things. It's very simple and we keep telling you how you can do that easily. Please also read our comments. If you need any help, give us a shout. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.